Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can crop your photos into shapes in Canva. So here I've already opened the Canva apps, and to easily crop the photos into shape, you can just use the frame feature on Canva. So click on the plus icon at the bottom and then click on elements. Here, scroll down until you find the frame section, this one. So frames in Canva comes with different shape. You can see this is the basic shapes. There are also film and photo like Polaroid frame, devices like a laptop or a computer, paper, flowers, blob, and retro. So let's say I'm going to use this flower shape. Click on the frame, and after this just click on the photo and drag it into the frame, and it will be automatically added into the frame. So if you want to adjust the position, just double click on the photo and you can just drag it like this. You can also make it big or make it small. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.